If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. This is Yaya. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, then thanks for coming back. Today we are doing a beauty room tour. Yaya, normally all of the kids would be taking a nap right now, but Yaya is not taking a nap, so she will be joining us in this video. But I figured I would show y'all how we have our beauty room set up for Halloween with our Halloween decorations and everything that was super inexpensive. I do want to get that, but let's get started. Okay, this is my desk. I got it from IKEA. In this drawer, I've just got some eyeshadow palettes and some loose shadows. I did get these from the Dollar Tree. They come with a little lid, so they are super compact. They fit in the desk perfectly. This also came from Dollar Tree. It's got 3 slots in it. But then in this other drawer, I have blushes. These are all highlighters. Let me know if you want a makeup collection type of video, more highlighters. This is all like highlighters and blushes in this drawer. Then over here, I've got my beauty blender. This is where I put it when I need to wash it after I've used it. And I've got some setting powders. And in this drawer, I just have 2 palettes for highlighting contour that I like to use. This is actually when people say like, oh, I got my check from YouTube. This is what you actually get. It's like a verification thing, but I framed mine because I'm proud of it. Then I've got some brushes here, my ring light for when I'm filming. I normally set up everything right here with my camera. My husband got this for me at Target. Love it. Then I got this $20 mirror from Costco. I've had it for years. And then in here, I just have some eyebrow products. I've got some concealers and some primers. These are the foundations that I'm using right now. And this is the lipstick for today, Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. And then some primers. I love this primer, so I normally use it. Over here we have our chocolate bar palettes, and then these are actually 2 separate containers I got from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. You can check out our Shop With Me videos. I'll link them below. I've got my Naked Flush, which I love, and then other palettes that are similar with blush, bronze, and highlighter. I've got some cream and liquid contours. These are all bronzers in here. Setting sprays. This is the primer I'm using today. I actually really love it. I got it in a BoxyCharm. Love that one. And then, yeah, BoxyCharm. And then this is where I keep stuff that I want to do a video on. So I plan on doing a fall palettes video and some other things. So I keep all of that in there. And then here I have my drawers with eyeshadow palettes, more eyeshadow palettes, foundations, and then these are all lippies. Okay, y'all know I'm always going to keep it real, right? So this chair down here, it's an ottoman. I got it from Facebook Marketplace for like $20 or $40. And I just put fabric over it because I wanted some kind of storage so that the girls could sit here on it. But I never ended up getting a chair, so I just use it. And then when I film with Tita, she actually just sits on this suitcase. I need to get a chair, but I have not gotten around to doing that. And then if you look under there, I've got a container. I'll just show you. Okay, so under the desk, I have a container of new items that I've bought that I just want to make sure that I try and I don't mix them with everything else and not use them. And then I have a container with things that I'm going to give the girls for Christmas. I do plan on like fully glamming out the room for Christmas and having a tree in here. So it's going to have like makeup. I love you too. It's going to have makeup and stuff under that tree. So that's for them. And then I have, this Ipsy box here is full of stuff for my niece that I've just been putting to the side for her. This is an empty box. And then in this Dior box over here, I just have prizes for our BoxyCharm giveaways for whenever we have them every month. And I just put all the extra stuff there. And then I have some random bags in case I need a bag. Baby wipes because I always need to like wipe my swatches and stuff. And then a small trash can that I got for like $5 I think at Ross. Really, really affordable. So those things, I have them there and I have them on the girls' side. Those were actually from like the wedding section of Walmart. And then the flowers are like from the Dollar Tree, and like you get 4 or 5 for $1, and I just plucked them off and put them up there so you couldn't see that I taped them. Yeah, I can. This, because the room originally is like pink, gold, and white. This I got from Facebook Marketplace for like $20, but you'll see we have like a purple theme going right now because of Halloween. And then let's get into my favorite. Let's get into my favorite part. Yeah, you do makeup? Nice makeup, yeah. So all of these pumpkins here, 98 cents from Walmart. This was either $1 or a couple dollars, but it's like a hanger, and I took the hanging part off and just set it up here. And then I think this was $1. This is a ghost. You put a candle in the back, but that's just, I think, $1. Oh, no, $1.98, probably from Walmart then. I made the bow, and then this is from IKEA, and I just fill it with Christmas balls. Yeah, shh. So we've got Halloween Christmas ornaments in here right now, but normally we have pink ones, and then when Christmas comes, we will definitely put our pink ones back in there. And then these come from like little packs from the Dollar Tree. I got a pack of these skulls. It was like 10 of them for a couple dollars at Walmart. And then this also was probably $1, $2 from Walmart. And then more skulls. The skulls came with bigger ones, and they also came with little tiny ones. And I just put them all over. And then more of those cheap pumpkins. I display all of the makeup, and I feel like I've taken a lot off for Halloween so that I could put the Halloween stuff up, and I'm realizing that I'm actually more likely to use it if I don't have it up on a shelf. So I think after Halloween is done, I'm not going to have as much makeup displayed as I did before Halloween. Then we have the girls' side. So I had the kids paint these. Before we had pink, white, and I think I sprinkled gold glitter on them. And I'll bring those back out soon. But I had them paint these to go with the room because it just looked crazy having the pink in the background, but then everything else is purple and black. So I had them do that, and I think it looked really cute, and it was fun to do. And then I did this one. And this I got on clearance from Target after Halloween last year. I have 2 of them. It was broken, so I just stuck a skull on top of there. This I got from NARS in Japan. I used to shop there all the time. And they actually gave this to me as a gift because I had like so many rewards with them. It's a brush. And then this is Tita's little boss sign that my husband got from the Dollar Tree. And some more skulls. And then down here we have the Too Faced Christmas palettes. They've got some Dose of Colors, some Sephora palettes, they just have different makeup down there. And in their little caboodle, this is turned into like the girls' station. Then this was $1 up here, and I'll show you this really quick. So I got this stand. They're only $1 at the Dollar Tree, but they work perfectly to hold up palettes to display them. Again, with the 98-cent pumpkins, and then more Christmas ornaments or Halloween ornaments. Those were from the Dollar Tree. And then I've just got some makeup displayed here and more ornaments, Dollar Tree. And then I've got my lipsticks down here. I've got some YSL and some Too Faced, Louis Vuitton. I had to have that, like, it's $100. Don't even judge me, but just the packaging and everything, I honestly don't really love the color, and I've had it for so long that the actual lipstick is starting to turn white, but I just keep it on display because I love it and it's so fancy. Although I like everything is like Dollar Tree or 98 cents or 99 cents or whatever. That's like my fancy splurge there. And then I've just got some other stuff down here. And then here we have a huge mirror. I got this for like $50 at Ross. Y'all know I have to show you. Okay, so this is what happened. I destroyed the wall. So what happened was I put the little square IKEA mirrors up there that you like stick to the wall, and I didn't put them on evenly, so I tried to take them off and they completely ruined the wall. So this is here to hide that. And then I actually put curtains over this closet because this is actually like an area where I can set the kids up to take pictures. So inside this closet, I actually made these boards. I need to make new ones because they're warped. But I got foam poster boards from the Dollar Tree and then this contact paper from the Dollar Tree. And I lay it on the floor and it looks like it's a wooden floor. Okay, hold on. And I put it right there. I put it right there for pictures. And then inside this closet I've got crates and different decorations and stuff for setting up the picture area. And then I've got more makeup storage. These are those pink paintings I was talking about earlier. I've got Christmas stuff up here, just more Christmas stuff. Down there, Christmas ornaments. I'll give you a sneak peek, I do have my tree back there. I've started setting it up already, and y'all, it is so beautiful. I'm gonna put it here. I'm actually thinking about moving the girls' desk to this side right here, just so that it's next to me, and possibly putting the tree right there in the middle, just so that it's like in the videos and everyone can see it. And it's so pretty that I need everyone to see it and see how beautiful it is, because I feel like I've put a lot of like work and love into this one. Okay, I also wanted to add in, if you're gonna do a beauty room with gold, white, pink, whatever, this tray right here, this is gold wire type of tray, $1 at the Dollar Tree. I got different sized ones, but $1 at the Dollar Tree, right? But I got this one here. It's significantly smaller. Got it from Target. It is more heavy duty, but I want to say I paid around $12 for it. So pretty big price difference for pretty much the same thing. Actually, that's even smaller. So just wanted to share that with y'all as far as storage goes, because the Dollar Tree actually has some great storage. This stuff actually came from the Dollar Tree. You saw this in my drawer. This came from the Dollar Tree too. And I've got some more of those containers. The containers that I had, like the extra makeup and the stuff for the girls that I put to the side. I've got more of those up here, and those were only $1. Like, the Dollar Tree has so many storage options, it's ridiculous. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. And then underneath the desk, it's kind of hard to tell because Yaya's got her makeup thing going on over there. Yeah, no, you can do it. Open it. Under there, I keep my filming equipment. So I've got tripods and different things under there. And then different things that I'm working on videos on, I'll shove under there too, just to get it out of the way. Yaya, you got your makeup? Yeah. Oh, you like it? Yeah. Okay, y'all, that's what our beauty room looks like. I just wanted to give you a quick tour before Halloween was over and we get rid of all of this stuff until next year, because I don't know, I just wanted to share it with all of you. But Coco is up now. She woke up from her nap, so we've got a lot of stuff going on. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!